a great way to start the video. And the next meet we're going to, in Midnight Cruise, we're in Midnight Sakudu. I found a crowd, so I'm gonna have fun with them before we get the pre-meet. So let's go, baby. Got here. Oh, look at that truck. What the hell? Supercharged, baby. Check us. For a minute I thought it was my neighbor, but it's not my neighbor. There's the same thing about the 540i. So, man, that's a good. Wide body Mustang. Nice. It looks nice. Yeah, I like that. Just got some slick. He's ready for action today. Just got another slick Honda. More cars over there somewhere. We just got here. Just started, so a lot of cars are barely pulling in from the other meet. People coming in. My coolant light just couldn't turn on, so it's telling me I'm on low on coolant. So look at that, I got coolant with me. I bought it at the gas station. Nice. Anyways, yeah. So before I leave, I'll put some coolant in. More cars are showing up. It's gonna get packed. Like again. Oh, look at that car. Crazy. Like again, I was single turbo right there. You see that? No single turbo. What's up? Ooh, the dad reveal. I think I raced him before. He got me, I got him. It's like even name, and I would say. House built right there. It's cold right now. Look at, I got sweaters. Alright, more cars coming in. Christmas lights. Christmas lights. lights. Christmas lights. Like I said, I was gonna do it, same thing, but since they was doing it now, it's a big trend, so I was just like, leave it alone. I'm probably not time. Alright, well, we're about to leave, but cops came in. I believe these people called the cops, so they were from the place, but cops are here, the task force, I believe. Let's go. I guess we're heading out. What the fuck? That took at me! To the next spot. We were in the first gas station, but we got kicked out quick, so we went to the next spot, and of course we got kicked out again. But yeah, check it out. My boy Alex finally showed up again after. Yeah, so anyways, so personal problem he had, but it's okay though. I'm glad that he's still good. We were able to get our runs in. Obviously you guys saw I got him good twice. He spun, so he says he's gonna get different tires and we could try again. So I was like, yeah, sure. I don't mind. You know, it was a close race though. But yeah, so I think I'm gonna end it right now with this video. So yeah, so tomorrow will be Car Day Sunday Fun Day at Supercar Sunday in the Valley. So I'm gonna head that one early in the morning because it's gonna be a big event. Also, it's currently 1:15. So I'm gonna have when I get home, it's like around 3ish. So I'm gonna have like 5 hours sleep, 4 hours sleep, 5 hours sleep. But that's true. But anyways, so yeah, so thank you guys for watching this episode of this today. This is so crazy. So it's gonna be part 2. So the first one's gonna be the first meet I went to. That will be cut, and then this will be the second part, and then of course the other one will be the next day. So yeah, deuces guys.